Another week has gone by, and that means Slow Cooker Sunday is back. Today, we reinvent chicken cordon bleu in our slow cooker. This one's packed with protein, takes less time to prep than the original recipe, and tastes even better the next day. So let's just jump right into it. For this one, start by mixing together 1 big can or 2 small cans of 98% fat-free cream of chicken and 1 cup of milk or milk substitute until it looks like this. Next, take out your slow cooker, optionally line it, and then add in 2 pounds of chopped up chicken breast. After that, pour in half of your cream of chicken mix and mix those together. Top of that, add 6 ounces of sliced ham, 4 ounces of sliced Swiss cheese, other half of your cream of chicken mix, 1 box of stuffing, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Last, throw your lid on and let it cook on low heat for 5 to 6 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Now for this one, I like to portion it out into 6 servings, which come out to around 335 grams each, and will give you 50 grams of protein per serving. You can always make more or less servings depending on your goals. I always include the whole recipe totals that you can use to do this either below or on my website, theproteinchef.co. Another thing is, I always include things I use like my slow cooker, liners, or meal prep containers in the description below. With that said, hit that like button for more Slow Cooker Sunday recipes. Follow me at The Protein Chef so you can tag me with your creations. Use the hashtag SlowCookerSunday. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And of course, stay healthy.